We're here in Sherman Oaks, enjoying the sounds and feelings and smells, scents of this incredible Pondless Waterfall we just finished creating. We brought 24,000 pounds of stone up into this property. And we created this really cool pool right here that we have 2 lights in. This lights up at night. And so when my client sits on his bench that we created for him here, he gets to enjoy the pool and this great view up here. Fantastic. It's a 405. So we just put in a whole lot of plants that we took from one of our local water features that we created over the years, where the plants in the pond had grown too big. And so even though they're looking really lumpy and tired, all of these plants are actually going to come up beautifully within the next few days as they get acclimated to this water feature. Dreams keep coming true.